Hello world, it's Kurtis Potter with day 2 of the things that can excel and elevate your journey in life. So yesterday's video, it got cut a little bit short. I had the sauna all to myself. Everything was going perfect. And then bam, what do you know? I have some guys walk in, they're cursing, they're talking loud. They're like, hey, they walked right by me. They saw me doing a video and they're like, we don't care, this ain't your sauna, right? And the reason why I bring that up is because everything can be going right in life and then bam, curveball. Like, I was even like, hey guys, this is my video. You know, I kind of said it on purpose because I was hoping they'd shut up and they didn't. But see, like, I come to you in these videos in these real life situations because I'm not trying to stand up here in front of you and act like everything's peaches and cream. Everything's going to work to your favor all the time. That's not how life is. See, life is 10% what happens to you and 90% how you react to it. You know what? I had to keep the video going. I had to show, you know, I hate to say it's like this, but like not my dominance, but the fact that I was standing in what I was doing, regardless if they came in. And see, I was really appreciative. And I told them guys after that I was appreciative that they let me finish the video. And then funny enough, my phone cut off because of the temperature warning. My phone got too hot. It shut off. Bam. You know what? I had to keep it going, right? And see, that's how life is. And that's why this series is so important on using the tools that you have at your fingertips to help you excel in your journey, right? So I'm in here in here where you can hit the bags, right? So you have the bags that you can hit, and that is a tool when you are trying to improve your fighting skills, right? So there's so many other tools that I just want to talk to you about as well in this video that I wanted to mention yesterday, and I forgot, I spaced it. I kind of got a little flustered when those guys came in. And so some of the tips that I want to help you with that I've used, some different apps, for instance. There's apps that you can use for your health. There's websites that you can go on to help you advance. I just put on a post the other day about I was going to get on like Robinhood or Acorn or stuff to help me invest. There is podcasts, for instance. I listen to podcasts daily, and they've helped me elevate myself as a human in this journey of becoming boundless. For instance, so I've been connecting with this guy, and I've been networking with a good friend of mine, and let's just say I'm looking into some investment opportunities and creating financial wealth, and he's in that position in his life. So again, use the tools of people who've already achieved what you're trying to achieve. So I'm talking with him. We're about to connect. We're about to create a partnership. And the thing is he reached out to me and he's like, hey, he just reached out to me today. He's like, man, Kurtis, when can we connect? Because I'm really excited to help you, man. I see the journey you're on. I want to support you. I want to lift you up. I want to help you, guide you, anything that I can do to help elevate you, man. You're a beautiful soul. You're doing amazing things. You're doing these videos to help the world. I want to help you, Kurtis. First of all, those are the type of people that you need in your life, not those blood-sucking, jealous, negative, toxic, gossiping people. Those are part of your tools, is the people that's going to elevate you in your dreams and goals. You know, it's not I'm not reaching out to him and how I can help him. How he can help me. The thing is we help each other. He has a moving company as another one of his sources of income, one of his streams of income. And anytime I see anybody posting anything about needing moving guys or a moving company, I always tag him on social media. See, it's just how teamwork makes the dream work, and these tools are here to help you. Those podcasts are here to help you. One thing that I hated doing was reading. I resisted it for so long. And the first step that I took was using one of my tools, which was audiobooks. I was driving a lot for the job I was in. I was like, obviously I can't read and drive, which I've heard of people doing that. But I started listening to audiobooks, and I really started to grow my mind by using those tools that help you. So today, just invite you to really think about what you're doing on this day 2 of our, excel on our journey. Where are you trying to go? What are you trying to accomplish? I believe in you. And see, I've came from the bottom in the slumps of just struggling, failed relationships, failed marriage, failed financially, out of shape, anger issues, drug habits. Like I've been at the lowest of low. I thought about suicidal thoughts way too many times in my life. And you know what? I'm not homeless, like living under a bridge and putting needles in my arm. I never was addicted to those. It was mainly just smoking weed, but I was not trying to put it down. And I was just losing at life because it was making me a dreamer, not a doer. So I was never really addicted to anything hardcore, but I have a buddy who also, he was homeless. He was addicted to those hard drugs. And now he has a very prosperous company here in Indiana. And he's living in the most expensive county in Indiana, Hamilton County, close to Geist Reservoir, which is one of the most expensive real estates in Indiana. So even if you're not taking it from me, just know that there are people, but I'm here with you. I'm not just talking on here telling you what to do because I didn't live it. I'm coming out of it. I've got my body, my mind, my mentality all headed in the right direction. It's the best it's ever been, and it's going to continue getting better because every single day I'm using all of the tools that I can possibly use to elevate me in my journey, excel me in my journey. Because it's like, for what, folks? We're not here just to live and to die. We're here to live. We're here to create. We're here to be the thermostat, not a thermometer. Change the life that you want to live. Change it. Be intentional about your life, and I promise you, it's so rewarding. I was talking to my buddy today, and he's like, so I told him I picked up some extra work on the weekends, putting in a crazy schedule right now. And every single dollar that I'm getting from that new source of income that I was financially fine without it. But I was like, you know what? I'm going to add a source of income. And the only thing that I'm using that money for is assets. I'm only going to use it to buy something where my money starts making money for me. And I can start compounding more money to just help me achieve my goals faster. What is it for you? What are the tools for you to help you achieve your goals? You can do it. You're worthy. This is 2022, baby. You know what? 21 is behind us. This is a new year, a new you. And you know what? It's the first week of the year. And we're going to spend it just realizing the tools that we have that can help us achieve our dreams and goals. We all deserve it. We're worthy of it. And it's rightfully ours for the taking. This is the best time in America where you can achieve anything you want. More millionaires are becoming millionaires every single day. I don't even know the statistic, but there's tons of millionaires. And even if you're not trying to become a millionaire, you have the opportunity to achieve anything you want in life. And today's the day. There's no better time than now. Make a choice right now. Let's do it. Let's go after it together. Teamwork makes the dream work, baby. This is the wolf pack that's all here together, lifting each other up, helping each other, pushing each other, and saying, you've got this. Because every single day, just like a baby walking across that room, we're just taking another small step to becoming boundless, baby. I love you all. Have a great day. I love you. Appreciate you. Like, share, comment, tag. Challenge me. Let's challenge each other. Let's be humble and say some stuff that we're like, you know what? Hey, you know what? Even if you have questions like, hey, I'm trying to achieve this. Does anybody know of any tools to help me achieve it? Let's work together and make this happen, baby. Have a great day. I love you all. Be boundless.